Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive care with what I believe to be the best scratch repair kit. For cars available, the Pocartiffic Car Scratch Repair Pen. Whether you're dealing with minor surface scratches or deeper ones that go all the way down to the metal, the Pocartiffic Car Scratch Repair Pen claims to have you covered. Let's break down why this product stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about precision. One of the standout features of this kit is its precise color matching. Pocartiffic boasts that their team has conducted extensive research to ensure that their touch-up paint matches the color of your car's original paint with up to 95% accuracy. Whether your car is a sleek silver or a bold blue, Pocartiffic aims to provide a seamless repair that blends flawlessly with your vehicle's existing paint job. Well, the Pocartiffic Car Scratch Repair Pen is designed with the user in mind. It features a dual-ended design with a metallic pen tip for minor scratches and a brush head for deeper ones. This makes it incredibly versatile and suitable for tackling scratches of varying depths. Plus, the pen's user-friendly design means even beginners can achieve professional-looking results with ease. Now, let's talk about durability. Not only does the Pocartiffic Car Scratch Repair Pen cover up those unsightly scratches, but it also adds a protective layer to the repaired area thanks to its included varnish pen. This not only enhances the gloss of your car's paint but also helps to prevent future damage, keeping your vehicle looking pristine for longer. The Pocartiffic Car Scratch Repair Pen won't break the bank. With a price tag of just $12.99, it's an affordable solution for keeping your car looking its best without spending a fortune on professional repairs. So, if you're tired of staring at those pesky scratches on your car and want an easy, affordable solution, look no further than the Pocartiffic Car Scratch Repair Pen. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, drive safe and happy repairing.